হচ্ছে বাটু কেভ মালয়েশিয়াতে। এটা হচ্ছে বুদ্ধিস্টদের একটি উপাসনালয়, একটা ন্যাচারাল কেভ। কুয়ালালামপুর থেকে খুব একটা দূরে নয়, যেখানে প্রচুর ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ভিজিটর্স সবসময় আসে সবসময় থাকে এখানে। খুবই আশ্চর্যজনক ন্যাচারাল রক থেকে ন্যাচারালি তৈরি হয়ে গেছে। এটা হচ্ছে ইনার সাইড, কেভের ইনার সাইড। এখানে আসতে প্রায় 100টার মতো উঁচু উঁচু সিঁড়ি পার হয়ে আসতে হয়েছে। আর মধ্যে একটি ফাঁকা জায়গা, যেখান দিয়ে কসমিক এনার্জি চলে আসে কসমস থেকে। সো আমাদের সাথে আরও টুরিস্ট আছে, they are the tourist, yes. Alex, he is from Germany, and Farhan, here's Farhan, who is from Indonesia, and we have another friend who is waiting this side, who is Dar es Salaam. And these four we are visiting here. Let's go for the entrance. Entrance is this side. We are coming by this way. Okay, let's. Yes. খুব ভয়ঙ্কর সিঁড়ি, খুবই কেয়ারফুলি পার হতে হয়। এটা হচ্ছে আমরা এখনো কেবের ভিতরে। এখানে হচ্ছে কেবের দুইটা পার্ট, একটা পার্ট থেকে আসলাম, আর একটা পার্ট এটা উপরে ফাঁকা। সো here is the first part of this cave. You will find a lot of pigeons and monkeys over here, and some ritual stuffs, maybe Buddhist temples and rocks. এটা খুবই অবাক করা মনে হয় যে যেন এটা মানুষের তৈরি, কিন্তু স্ট্রাকচার আসলে এমন বৈচিত্র্যময়, you have to be surprised. Really great, really great. Yes. Okay, Alex, how you are thinking about this place?
It is stunning.
Stunning.
The light rays give the whole cave a certain sense of mystery to it. The light is very dim, and it's in stark contrast to the colorful temples you see. So, without the people, it's beautiful.
Yes, it will be more beautiful without this sort of stuffs here.
Says the tourist.
Yes. And Farhan, what do you think?
Yeah, I think this place it demonstrates how Indian culture, how the
Yes, it seems.
Indian religion to pray, and this
Yes.
this is stunning. You have to get like 100 stairs to go in.
Yes,
go inside.
yes. It is very tough to reach this place. But
The people who worship here are serious.
yes, they are very serious. I think. Yes. Oh, very colorful stuffs. A lot more. Rays sun rays is coming by the small hole, and over there small hole, and making a perfect shape of rays. And here some artificial peacocks, and here's a lot of temples. I don't know what is written here. Every part of this temple is very much exciting. Literally, I barely explaining how beautiful this place is. Yes. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. You can't even imagine how beautiful the place is. Here is stairs, almost 200 or 100 stairs. City. We are
One,
watching.
all of them.
This is the city.
1, 2, 3. You want to another? Ah,
People are.
one.
Papa,
Papa. Yes.
Papa with the umbrella. Alex.
Did we make you proud?
Oh, we should be very careful. Yes. Getting down is more tough than to ride. You know, people are looking very small in downside of, you know, whole city is visible from here. Oh, you are here. Oh. And here's the big temple of the Buddha. It's from back side. I will show you from front. So here, very carefully, and lot of monkeys actually. Where he's going? He will sit over there. We're watching here. There's a big monkey. Yes. Here are monkeys. And this is the main entrance. And now I'm in main entrance here. And here is the big temple. And here is the upside with a lot of stairs. Here is the premises of temple. And finally I'm going to show the temple from the front side. Yes, this is Buddhist temple. And this part there are a lot of monkeys over there, but I don't have any time to go there. So thank you very much for watching this video.